Hi everyone, welcome back. Now, how many of you focus on skin nutrition more than what you apply on your skin? Yes, I do the same. So as a matter of fact, your skin is the largest organ of your body, but it is the last to receive nutrition and the first to show deficiencies. If you're having a decent amount of nutrition on a daily basis in terms of proteins, vitamins and minerals, chances are very small portion of it will go to your face because most of it is taken by the vital organs of your body. And to top it all, if your junk food intake is high, then definitely your skin will show dullness, dryness and a lot of other bad things the first. Either which ways, your skin is the one thing that is losing from every angle, which is why it is very important to provide this substantial amount of nutrition to your skin. Which is why I'm here to talk about the Ayurvedic skin supplement, the Kapiva Skin Foods Glow Mix. So I recently started focusing on skin nutrition rather than just taking any product and applying on the face. So I started using this from the past 3 months on an everyday basis, and some ingredients in this are just amazing. These ingredients are actually great Ayurvedic ingredients for your skin. Rose petals to boost collagen, pomegranate to increase hyaluronic acid, beetroot to purify the blood, aloe vera for the dose of vitamin C and E, shatavari to increase glutathione, and mulethi to fade pigmentation. All these popular Ayurvedic ingredients for the skin are available in the Kapiva Skin Foods Glow Mix. When I read about these amazing ingredients, I was like, I definitely had to try this. Clear the Glow Mix sachet, pour it in, mix it in water and drink. You're supposed to have it every day, one sachet with 100 ml of water, an hour after lunch. Now, 2 things to note here before you start consuming this is, never take this on an empty stomach, and women who are lactating or breastfeeding should consult their doctors before they can take the Glow Mix. But I'll be very honest with you, the first day when I started taking this, I could actually feel the taste of these herbs in my mouth, but the main flavor was watermelon, which made it really easy for me to consume it for the next 3 months. Now, and also just a disclaimer, if you're thinking that some magic will happen overnight or after 3-4 days of consuming it, just drop off this video because that's really not going to happen. Let's be realistic. You need to consume this regularly for at least 3 months to see some noticeable changes in your skin. So guys, it's the end of the first month and I can feel that my digestion has become so much better. It's been 2 months now and my skin feels hydrated. Let me show you. I have no moisturizer and look at how quickly that bounces back. That just means that my skin is hydrated even without any moisturizer, which is great. It's the end of the 3rd month and I can see some glow and my spots have started fading. Overall, my skin has started feeling much more smoother. Now, another thing that I've really liked about this is that this Glow Mix is actually plant-based. So there are tons of collagen supplements which are available in the market, but most of them are marine-based. They are marine collagen powder supplements which are unsuitable for vegan or vegetarian people. So this is a great option for vegetarians or vegan, and this is absolutely plant-based. Also, this product has no preservatives. It is completely plant-based. It doesn't have any chemicals. You may be wondering, I said that it has watermelon flavor to it, but there is no added sugar. So if you're someone who's looking to load up on some chemicals in your body, then this product is not for you. So this one is perfect for people who are looking for some natural skin supplements. I have literally added the